Hey everyone, today we are going to solve another LeetCode problem in Python. The problem is reverse string. We will start by understanding what is the problem about, discuss our approach, and then dive into writing Python code to solve it. First, let's discuss what is reverse string problem. The reverse string problem is a quite simple problem. We are given a list of string and our task is to reverse the order of characters in that list. But we have to take care of one thing. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with O of one extra memory. Okay. So it means we can take a temporary variable to that will help in swapping our indexes. If we consider an example, the input list is this, which is a string of list or list of strings. In the input list, h is at the first index or zero index, but in the output list, it would be at the last index. As o is at the first index, in output, it would be at the last index. So it's simple. So that's the plan. Let's jump right in and start writing some Python code to implement this approach. We have a function over here named as reverse string that takes an array of string as input and returns nothing. As mentioned over here, it returns none. Let's remove these comments. We do not need these. First, I will declare two pointers. Left will indicate at the start of the string and right will indicate or point at the right of the string or at the end of the string. Left is equal to 0 and right is equal to. For determining the end of a string or tail of the string, I would take the length of the string and I would minus 1. Minus 1. Left will indicate in this example to the h and the right will indicate to this the tail of the string. Next, I will declare a while loop that will run until the left pointer is smaller than the right pointer. While left is just and right. Okay. In the while loop, I will swap the values. For that, I can take an extra variable temp, which will help in swapping those values. Temp, and I will store string of left. This means that in temp variable, the index of the string h is stored currently. Next, I will swap the right index with the left index and then I will store the temp variable to the right. This would effectively swap those values. I hope that is clear. Now let's write code for that. Next, I have to move the right index to the left of the index. Left and s of right. That's it. Now I will put the value of temp in the string of right is equal to temp. So that is a bit difficult, I guess, but that is simple. If you try to solve this or write this code by hand, you will find that it is not that difficult. Next, we have to move the variable left to the middle of the string, and I have to move also the right variable to the middle of the string. For that purpose, I will increment left and I will decrement right. Okay, so that is also done. Now let's run the code and see what happens. Our case 1 is accepted and case 2 is accepted. Let's submit the code. Okay, our code is also accepted. In Python, you can follow another approach that is a shorthand for swapping. I can show you how you can do that. Without taking the extra temp variable, we can first comment this out. Next, we will write a code that is a shorthand for swapping. In this, It simply means that right will be assigned to the left and the left will be assigned to the right. It is just a shorthand in Python. Let's run the code again to see if it works. It works. Our case 2 is accepted and case 1 is also accepted. Now we can also submit this solution if you want. Okay, I have again submitted the solution and the solution accepted. So that's it for the video.